Now, you leaders can make that walk as we did it, tempo. But also we can add some double time movements. We already did this. From here, now, I start with the left, feet together, left backward. And again, feet together, left forward. The follower is walking one step per beat, but the leader is doing from here, quick, slow. That will be where we finish the double time. Next, you are going to do a step with your right. We are in cross system in this moment. It's for a backward ocho to your partner. Change system here. The regular way we do it. Right feet together, right again, outside partner, and then we can close or keep walking. The movement of the leader, again, is left together, left, right together, right. With the follower walking, regular pace, one step per beat. And then you keep going. So, the two options, or walk together with your partner in cross system, or add that sequence. That will keep you walking still in the straight line. And then you can close it with tango close.